Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Cinnamon rolls are the perfect cozy fall morning treats, so let's make them. These can also be a great cooking activity with kids. If you're making them in class, you could prep together and then send them to bake in the cafeteria kitchen. Here I'm opening up Annie's cinnamon rolls. The box comes with 5 rolls. Super easy if you're craving something sweet but don't want to make the dough from scratch. I just cut them, place them on parchment paper, and flatten them a little so they don't bake too thick. Now they're ready for the oven. While they bake, let's make the frosting. I mix 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and a little vanilla. Beat it until smooth and fluffy. My rolls baked for exactly 20 minutes. They came out soft and golden. Now it's time to frost them with that creamy homemade goodness. I hope this video inspires you to enjoy a cozy fall morning with your family or share this activity with your little ones. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more easy family-friendly ideas. See you in the next one.